Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to study English as a beginner. Begin by immersing yourself in the language for at least 15 minutes every day. Focus on core vocabulary, like common nouns and verbs, and simple sentence structures. Listen to basic English audio, such as children's stories or beginner podcasts, to train your ear. Consistent, short study sessions are far more effective than infrequent long ones. Once you have a foundational vocabulary, move on to reading and writing. Start with very simple materials, perhaps children's books or short articles designed for learners. Try writing a few sentences each day about your routine or interests. This helps solidify new words and grammar. Don't be afraid to make mistakes. They are a natural part of the learning process. Active speaking and listening are crucial for progress. Try to find a language partner or join a beginner's conversation group, even if it's online. Practice repeating phrases and sentences you hear to improve your pronunciation and rhythm. Watch short English videos, first with subtitles, then try watching them without. This trains your ear and builds confidence in understanding spoken English. Consistency is key to mastering any new skill, especially a language. Aim for at least 20 minutes of focused study daily. Explore various free online resources like language learning websites or apps to diversify your practice. Regularly review what you have learned to ensure it sticks. Remember, learning a language is a marathon, not a sprint, so celebrate every small step forward.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.